Hello everyone, how are you? I am Amirul Islam from Picture Design 196. I am going to show you how to remove an unwanted object from picture. Look at this picture, it is a very nice and clean picture, but I want to this picture image another purpose, so that I remove this unwanted object from this picture. These hands, I want to remove these hands from this picture. So how to do this perfectly and clearly? So let's go. At first we select here from pen tool. Pen tool is a powerful tool to remove an object from any kind of image. So I at first select these hands by pen tool, using pen tool. Look at this. I want to at first select the pot. Another anchor point here, and try to understand the pot shapes. Looks, I think, looks like, and also here the same, that guess you perfectly, that would be the pot accurate. Now zoom the picture to perfect select the smallest leaf from this image. You can use this pen tool slowly and perfectly. Almost done. I select, I need this area, no need other area. So okay, now going to path and press Alt and click here to select this object. Now copy the layer, because it is safe picture. I want to work on this, so press delete button. Looks, it is and there selected area, I want to select other areas, so press Ctrl Shift and I button, and then it is selected other areas, and take a new layer. Now I want to use clone stump tool. It is a powerful tool to cloning some objects. So select the main picture layer and press Alt and click your mouse, and then go to new layer. It is a safe layer. Now now you can looks look, there is a object totally removed, and then next again select again, press Ctrl and click on mouse, and then select the bottom layer and alter and press mouse, and then click on new layer. Now press looks there, it is perfectly done. And if you want to some shadow here, select the brush tool here, soft brush tool, and make it opacity 50% and flow 50%, and take a shadow color here, use it. Now smoothly looks, it is good. Or if you need more clear, then select here, select the color and brush some looks, and select the hair color it is, and brush some. Looks, it is pretty good, and object totally removed. And now here select this image and press Ctrl Shift and I and select this part area, and it fill with this color, and select this color, background color, okay, and okay, fill, and Ctrl D. This is the perfect image editing. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe our channel if you are interested in our channel and our work. Thank you so much.